You know what? One last problem. Okay, so this is a story problem, and I want to do this because um, I think you need the practice on this. Okay, so I have this box, and I have the volume of the box, which is length times width times height, which is 4,608 inches cubed. Okay, these are all in inches. Okay, and so if I were to take these and multiply them all together, now it doesn't matter in what order you want to do this in, whatever you decide. Um, I'm going to start with the W, but you don't have to. But all of those multiplied together gives me the volume. Okay, and I want to find out what the different volumes are here. Okay, so I'm going to be multiplying all this together. Here would be my first suggestion. My first suggestion to multiply this together, because I need to collect this and set it equal to 0, would be to go and distribute by W. So W squared plus 4 and 36 minus W equals 4608. Okay, so now I would rainbow. W squared times 36 is 36W squared. W squared times W is W cubed. 4 times 36 is 144, and 4 times W is negative 4W equals 4608. Okay. The next thing, I think I did something. Did I do something wrong? Oh, yep. I forgot a W there, didn't I? So this would be 144W, and this would be 4W squared. Okay, all right. Next thing I would do is collect like terms and put it in descending order. So I'm going to put negative W cubed first. And then I'm going to put, let's see, it's negative, so that would be 32W squared plus 144W equals 4608. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I am going to move the 4608 over here because I'm supposed to. So negative W cubed plus 32W squared plus 144W minus 4608 equals 0. Okay, so that got me up to making it equal to 0. I haven't even really started that first. Really haven't started that first step there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, you see that negative W right there? I really, really don't want to deal with that anymore. Okay, in fact, I'd love to either factor it out, multiply through by a negative, anything to get rid of that. So I would suggest that you either take it out or watch what I could do. I could divide, as long as I do everything equally, I could get rid of that negative altogether. So now we have W cubed minus 32W squared minus 144W plus 4608 equals 0. And you know what? That looks so much nicer. Okay. How many terms do you see? 4. Right. So here we go. All right. Common factor, W squared. All right. I bet you 144 goes into 4608. 32 times. Huh. So I'm going to take out negative 144 and I'm left with W minus 32 equals 0. That's good because look, I needed those two to equal one another, right? Okay. So W squared minus 144. All right. Are you looking? Are you noticing that maybe, just maybe, that could be factored? Okay. In fact, does 144 have a square root? It does. What is it? You're right, it's 12. All right, so my last piece is set them equal to 0. So what do I got going here? Well, minus 12. Can W be a negative 12? No, not with our original picture. Okay, let me draw our picture back here again. 36 minus W plus 4. Okay, this is plus 12. So W equals 12. Okay, so that's possible. And how about 32? Okay. And that's possible. All right, well let's see what we got going on here. Okay. So if the answer is 12, so let me use this color. All right, so 36 minus 12 is 24. Okay, and this would be 12. And 12 plus 4 is 16. And I need to make sure, do those three multiply together, give me 4608. So what is 24 times 12 times 16? Does that give me times 12 times 16? It does, 4608. So 12 works. Awesome. Okay, so let's try 32. All right, so I'll draw another one real quick. X, or W plus 4, 36 minus W. Okay, 32. So 36 minus 32 is 4. Okay, and W is 32. And 32 plus 4 is 36. And does that, whoops, 4 times 32 times 36 gives me 4608. Wow. So, friends, is that possible that I can have 2 actual answers there? Well, I checked them both, didn't I? Okay. So okay. So, hold on. So here's the thing. So let's make sure that we're looking at the only bad part is with the way that they have it works, but if you look at the picture that it has, the length has got to be more than, okay, the length has got to be more than at least, it says, here's the only thing I didn't write. In the problem, it said its length is more than 10 inches. Its length is more than 10 inches. And because I got this, that does not allow me to use, 32. So 12 is the answer, and these are our dimensions. All right, thanks, friends.